Alright, the last class we make general introduction on data types and all those things. We call up the database. Right now, go to your console as usual. Yeah, I'm using the password. So if you are not using password, just install this. Once you press enter, it will go. But now if I should press enter, it just log me out. Guys, see? Because I'm using the password. You are going to get to that level as well. So now I'll just enter my password. Okay, so my password is there. Right? So now, let's create our own database. Okay? So to create our own database now, the default database is Mysql. So we can say create, are you there? Database. What's the name of our database? Someone should give us the name. Class 2015. Okay, then you terminate it. And you have something like query, okay, that is your question has been answered. Okay, one row affected. Right? So we can now say, are you there? So now we want to add a user to this database right now. Okay, so we can say grants. Okay, before I go on with this, we have majorly three SQL statements. Like you have GML, data manipulation language, GL, data definition. All those create. Those are the definition, right? We also have all those select, manipulation. You get to all those stuff. Then all these grants, those are transaction. Okay? So you can say grant, select. What I'm trying to say here that we want someone, you don't even know the person's name now, to be able to select, to be able to insert information, to be able to update information. Can you see that we are speaking English word? And also to be able to delete. Okay? To be able to delete information on, do you understand? The name of our database, what is it? Class 2015. Then you have full stop hash. Asterisk in database means everything, means all. That is, this person that we've not even called the name of the person. To be able to select anything, to be able to insert all things, to be able to update all things, to be able to delete any and all things. Full stop asterisk. Are you there? Full stop asterisk. Okay? On this database. Okay? Identify, okay, on this database, to the name of the person I want to be. We now want to create a username now. We want to create a username now. To maybe Juliet. Okay? I need to open and quote to Juliet. Simple. Inverted comma. Yes. That's where it will be on command. Yes. To Juliet at localhost. Okay? We are working on local server. Then identify by, that is the password that the person will be known with. Okay? Identify by whatever password the person wants to use. So let's see who use Juliet. Okay? Then we terminate. If we are not correct, the system will let us know. I will say okay. So query okay. 0 row affected. You know why 0 row affected? There's nothing, no table, nothing inside for now. But now we just grant a person, a user called Juliet. and we also give this user a password to let, okay, to be able to work on the database called class 2000 and yes, yes. Then let me quickly show you something on visual right now so that you see what I'm talking about. I'm trying to open a visual. It's coming up now. PHP admin, that's what we call it. Okay, it's coming up now. We are getting so that you can see that what we are doing is secret. It's showing openly. So now on privileges here now, this is where you have. Okay, now even see the database. Can you see the database that we created? Are you the one that came to this place to see to do this? No. We are doing it at the background and it's coming. There's power in this. Then go to these privileges now. Can you see user? To localhost. Then it's using the password. Do you understand? So I just want to show you that. So now that we have this, we need to create a table. Okay? For inside our database, because the database is just there now. There's no table. Right? This is just like a warehouse with no products inside. Nothing. It's just a blank warehouse. So we want to create a table now. This is our data definition language. You can say create table. Right? Then the name of the table. So someone should give us the table name. Mostly when you want to start a database, every of the database will have motive. Do you understand? Okay, now for example now, let's just call this one user. Okay? Do you understand? So on this user now, we have what we call, so you open a bracket. That's a bracket. So that's the way command prompt represents it. So don't look like what is this? Right? Okay? So now, what are the fields? We need to be mentioning those things now. The field name. We need to mention it. You know I talk about the field name, the data type, all those things. So I will be doing those things gradually. I will not add all the attributes now. It's going to be level by level. Then we'll be moving on higher. Right? So I can begin to say, okay, what's the username? I can say ID. Right? That's the field name. Int. I'm not going to make it auto increment now. For some reason. Int. Are you there? Then, what is the size of the int? I can still make it 11. Right? Then, I might not even put no attributes for now. I just want you guys to get it gradually. They will be increasing by 2. So when you finish a particular field, comma, simply you need more. So you can write it on one line, but that's not a good way of writing. So I'll come down. Right? Since you have not terminated with semicolon, it's going down. I simply you still want to execute, you are not yet through. Okay? So you can now say user name. Okay? There, Faka. So the person might decide to add number to this, so that's why we are using Faka. Do you understand? Then 255, that's the size. Comma. Then password, I will stop at password. Okay? Password. Comma. Space, I mean. Then password can be car. 32. How do you know that I want to use 32? Then maybe I want to add this user department. Okay? As a DPT, right? Bracket 2. I want to be as practical as possible. Bracket, not bracket 2, sorry. I'm not working with your 255. It can be, no, it might not be like that, so I can make. So if I know that I know about department name, it's not character, so I can just have this. So look at this. The last one, I don't need to separate by comma. Comma is to separate anything in computing. So I don't need to separate the last one with comma. Since this is the last one, I need to close. Can you see that we open something here? this will open. Just like remember your other things that will be open and close. So I need to close it. I can decide to close it here, and I can also decide to close it down. I can decide to terminate this here, or I can also decide to terminate it next. Do you understand? Then I will say, okay. So he's telling me something. Can you see? So you need to read. He said, error 1046. What's the meaning of that error? No database selected. So he doesn't even know the database we want to work with. So we need to specify, we just start working. Right? So what do we need to do? We need to select the database first. And what's the name of the database we want to select? Class 2015. So what are we going to do? Use class 2015. It's not that our code wrong, but it's telling you that it doesn't know where to put it. So it now said we are inside class 2015 now. So since we've put this query above before, I might not need to write it again. And I can't copy it, but I can bring it back with my top and arrow key. So I'll be pressing my top arrow key now to take me back to where I get that one started. Can you see it? Right? Enter, down arrow will bring the second one. So I will not need to be writing all these things. These are also password. The buffer, there's what we call buffer, B-U-F-F-E-R. The buffer stores all your data. So I'm calling it all this one back from the buffer. Right? Oh, that's one of the Oracle knowledge. Okay? So you come down here now. You have this. Right? You have this. I'm just bringing it back because I've used it before. Okay? Then, can you see? Query, okay. It's not that our query wrong, but it doesn't know where to put the database. So anytime you have an error, read.
No house to store.
Yeah, no house. So then I'll look. Like it says now. Let's just describe any table that doesn't exist inside class 2000. Do you understand? Describe Charles. No, we all know that there's nothing like Charles. Eh? So you see, no, there's no Charles inside this
Statement. Maybe remember OP architecture. Inside that.
All right. So let's see what the database will tell us. Can you see the error? So you need to understand the error. Error 1146. Don't mind all those numbers. Table. Can you see? Class 2015 Charles doesn't exist. You understand? It's telling you that I don't know. So when you are seeing something, it's just like 404 on web page. It doesn't exist. There's nowhere to be found. But if you just said use, what's the name of our table? User, right? Do you understand? So I describe user now. There's user. There's no complaint. You get it? In the next class, we are going to populate this table. Thank you.
Now we see the